What's up YouTube, it's me JBO back again with another video, and today, as y'all can see by the title and thumbnail, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I plan on becoming a full-time content creator in 2025. Before I get into this video, I want to start off by saying Happy New Year to everybody in this video. You know what I'm saying? This is my first video of the brand new year 2025. So I just want to say I appreciate all y'all boys for tuning in and watching this, you know. But boom, if you knew her, you know, I post TikToks. You probably seen me before on TikTok. If not, this is my TikTok right here. Make sure y'all subscribe and like this video, but I ain't gonna do too much of none of that. I just want y'all to really get on her and really see this is how I'm finna show y'all how y'all need to blow up. Tell y'all the steps to blowing up, bro. This is so simple too. If you don't do it, bro, I honestly feel like it's just because you didn't want to. Cause I ain't gonna lie, bro, but what I'm finna tell y'all, it's kinda like literally how I did it and how I'm gonna continue to do it. So boom, I ain't gonna lie. This is for one, y'all, this is not a get rich quick scheme, bro. A lot of y'all think you're gonna come on here, you're gonna record a couple videos, you're gonna get rich and famous like Casanat and Speed overnight. No, I'm gonna tell you that off rip. Everybody is not gonna make it. Everybody ain't gonna do it, bro. It's gonna be a select few that really put in that work, really put in that grind, show their skill, you know, show their differences on her to where they can really take it somewhere, you know. Because a lot of people are not original no more. That's the thing. Like, a lot of people be taking ideas and like, oh, do this, I'm gonna copy him, copy her, you know. That ain't, a lot of stuff don't be original no more, bro. And I ain't gonna lie, as crazy as this sound though, in YouTube, that's what you gotta do. Sometimes you have to copy, and sometimes you gotta do this and that just to get on, because this is what's working right now at the moment. If it ain't broke, don't fix it, you know? So boom. Actually, and then, okay, boom. So look, this is a perfect step right here. Perfect #1 tip. You gotta actually start somewhere, bro. Press record and start getting comfortable on camera. Because like, I ain't gonna lie, even if you got a phone, bro, you do not need a camera. A lot of y'all be thinking you need to come on YouTube with this big, gigantic production crew camera with a microphone and 3 lights connected to it. Gang, chill. You taking stuff too fast, too many steps at a time. Crawl before you walk. I promise you, gang, it's gonna pay off in the end. Right now, I am recording on the phone. I mean, recording on a camera though. I ain't gonna, you know, say you can't do it. If you can't support it, you can buy like a, you know, do it. But I'm saying, I'm recording on the Canon G7X, not even Mark II. This is a Mark I. If you want a Mark II, get you a Mark II. If you can afford that, whatever, do your thing. But, bro, this is, you just literally just need a phone. Go to your phone camera. Go to video. If you got a newer iPhone, 12, 11, go to the video. Literally just go to the top, press 4K. You know, that's all you got to do, bro. Press 4K, record, you know what I'm saying? Perfect quality. Make sure you put it in 0.5 mode though, so they can see your whole background, you know? But boom, we're gonna get to the next step. My camera battery is literally finna die, so I'm thankful I just brought that up. We're finna switch to the camera right now. I'm finna see y'all boys in a second. I have to make sure y'all boys can see how it look. I just switched y'all over to my phone. But boom, I just wanted to say next step, bro, consistency. Post. That's as simple as that is, bro. You have to put your face out here. If you got TikTok, you got Facebook, you got Instagram, and you got YouTube, it ain't no reason you only posting on TikTok. I ain't gonna lie. That was a mistake I had back then. I had to quickly get up out of that though. It's no reason you're only posting on one of those apps now. Or you can get paid off all those apps. And you're trying to blow up in 2025, yet you're only posting on TikTok. How do you think more people it's 8.9 billion people in the world, bro. How do you think your face is gonna get out there if you're only showing it on one app? Yeah, TikTok may be the most hottest app right now. You may have a couple 100,000 or 20,000 or 50,000 on TikTok, cool. But bro, this is YouTube. It's a whole nother game over here, bro. You gotta, you know, step it up a little bit. Over here, post, you know what I'm saying? Make your video, your YouTube video into a shorter clip, post it on TikTok. Bring some interaction from TikTok to YouTube. Literally, that was my goal, bro. I promise you, I kid you not. That was my entire plan this whole time. I was like, bet, I'm gonna get like 50,000 on TikTok, 100,000 on TikTok, and then I'm gonna go over to YouTube. I just want to bring all my followers, my supporters to YouTube. Bro, that's literally what my goal was. I ain't gonna fake it. I did that. Hear me out. I could have been at 1,000, but I kind of was like at a point where like, I don't know. I was being inconsistent. I wanted it bad, but like, I want it bad. And now, you hear me? So look, back then I was not posting how I should have been. Mind you, I have 700, what's it called? Subscribers, bro. When I started posting my TikTok on my YouTube, bro, I had like 100. So there you go. Off of my TikTok shorts being posted to my YouTube, off of my TikTok videos being posted to my YouTube shorts, bro, that got me to 700. It could have got me to 1,000. I'm letting you know that now. I just wasn't posting as consistent, I promise. You can do it though. You can hit 1,000 within like a month, bro. 3 weeks, you can hit 1,000 subs on YouTube. Subs don't mean nothing though. Hear me out. It's about the views you get per day. The RPM, the CPM. That's what it's about. If you don't know what that is, I could explain that here. I'm gonna explain it in another video. I think it should be something separate. Yeah, I can break it down to y'all, show y'all on the screen. I'm gonna make a separate video for that. Comment down below if y'all want that. So boom. You just gotta be yourself, bro. Be authentic and be real. When you come on here, bro, you don't gotta act like nobody. I see a lot of y'all, like when a lot of people, not a child, but a lot of people I watch, or they coming up, I see they kind of resembling somebody else with something they doing, or they acting like this person, or you know, like you gotta be yourself, be authentic, start a connection with your people so they can love you for you, bro. For real. People love you for you. If you see yourself, you're not worried about nobody else, you know, people are gonna mess with you, bro. You gotta think about it. It's not too many real authentic people out here. So if you one of them really authentic people, bro, you different. You winning already, I promise. So that's just what I wanted to say. Yeah, just be yourself, bro. Make sure you post all that. A lot of y'all probably don't know even what to post, bro. It's so easy now. It's not even easy because I ain't gonna make it sound like it's just video ideas. It's not that, bro. Sometimes you gotta really think. Now hear me out. The top best ways, and off of me doing my research, y'all, before I did this video, I kid you not, I was doing research for like a week, 2-3 weeks prior, just so I can make this video perfect for y'all boys. The top videos right now, bro, if you see, it's literally streamers doing reaction videos to like crazy stuff, where there is streamers reacting to Speed or Kai, like the two or you got, you know, it's a few people right now who like, you know, big names right now that people reacting to. Mr. Beast, like, that's blowing up. Like, it's a lot of stuff, bro. Like, reaction videos is going crazy right now. If you've been authentic and being real in a reaction video, and you giving the people something to react to while you react, bro, you can't just be obviously sitting here watching a video for 20 minutes straight. Oh, he did that in the video. Okay, that was nice. That was cool. Okay, he did that. Like, bro, this is your family. The camera's your family. These are your people. This is your friend that you sit next to on the bus. Talk. You hear me? Like, that's all you gotta do, bro. Talk. Be yourself. Be real. Be authentic. Talk to, you know, y'all my peoples. Y'all are my family. I don't know if y'all know that. Even though we just now starting, I'm still getting to know y'all. Y'all are my family, bro. Believe it or not. But, yeah, bro, you can post like pranks, nigga. They got like public experiments where like you go out. I just seen the fart spray and the candle videos on TikTok. Like, it's a lot of stuff you can do to grab people's attention. A lot of people just want to be entertained. They come on YouTube to find something to watch so they can be entertained, bro, for 10, 15 minutes, 20 minutes straight. A lot of people don't like movies. A lot of people don't like TV shows. Like me, I don't like watching TV shows unless it's probably like, you know, with Power or, you know what I'm saying, BMF, you know what I'm saying, something like that. I'm not watching it though. I go on YouTube, I find me a little Corey video, 40, 50 minutes. Mr. Nightmare video, 20 minutes. You know, so I can get on and off. That's all it be, gang. I ain't gonna fake it. But you got reaction videos, you got pranks, you got social experiments, you got gaming videos, and you niggas can stream. Streaming is probably like one of the top platforms right now, bro. The way Cassinet, Aiden Ross, Speed, who else you got? You got like, it's a bunch of streamers. You got the whole AMP, you got Duke, Dennis, Phantom, Agent, bro. It's a lot of people who you can react to. They got videos of them doing this, that. Go on there. Oh, Speed did this. Dang, it's crazy. React to it, bro. It's nothing. If you watching the video, react to it. You think it's a crazy video? Hold on, let me start recording, bro. Let me, you know, react to it, bro. Stop. Another thing people be having a habit of doing when they starting off small, stop belittling yourself, bro. Like, people be putting themselves under these big creators, bro. I'm telling you, once you start reacting to these videos, bro, and you start putting in like the work of like, now you posting your videos on TikTok, you posting them on Instagram, Facebook, you got all these platforms, they seeing your face, they're like, this nigga, or like, this guy always reposting to like, I mean, he always reacting to like these far like bigger content creator videos. Those content creators that you're reacting to, bro, you're gonna show up in their feed, in their algorithm on YouTube. They gonna start seeing you reacting. Gang, now you're a part of that group. You gotta think about it. Now you're in that niche with them. You can know you're no longer under them. A lot of y'all be getting that confused because people got this 50 million subs or getting 100 million views on the video. Gang, that does not have nothing to do with you. Be you, bro. That does not mean nothing. Just because this man got 50 million subscribers or whatever does not make him no different from you, no better than you. Pick up the camera and start recording. Next I wanted to say, find a niche. I ain't gonna fake it. A lot of y'all have expertise, bro, and don't even realize it. Y'all don't even know it. Expertise is experience. A lot of y'all can do certain stuff and do not know it, bro. If you have a skill and you can record it, bro, and teach it to somebody, you not know how valuable that make you as a person. A lot of y'all don't realize that, bro. I'm telling you that. So hear me out. A lot of y'all don't even know, bro. Like, a lot of y'all can make clothes. A lot of y'all can cook. A lot of y'all design stuff. Don't get up and start recording this stuff, bro. Make a journey. Your YouTube channel is like your family. Bring them along with you step by step. Show them the ups and downs. Yo, you know, show them how to do this, bro. I'm telling you, it's not hard. Last step, I wanted to say, it's so simple. It's so like, it's kind of, I mean, I don't know. You might get backlash from it. But bro, you doing this for you. You're not trying to do this to impress nobody. You're not trying to do this for nobody else. This is for you and your success in life, bro. You want to be a content creator. So hear me out. You got to follow the trend. You got to. Maybe it's a trend out. Mr. Beast, he just did a video with the woo. You done seen 2 streamers react to it. It's going crazy. Everybody talking about it. You scroll on Instagram, you see it. Get on it. React to it. Post a video on it. Post a TikTok about it. Do it. Follow the trend, bro. Again, another thing, abuse TikTok. A lot of y'all don't know short form content can set you up for the long form content. Take this in mind, bro. I did this. Go on with TikTok, grind. Build something. I can show y'all no better. I literally, like, look. I can get on TikTok and show y'all right now, bro. I literally got 39.4 thousand followers on there. My views, I ain't even gonna figure, not even hitting or cracking how they normally be doing what they do, bro. But like, I'm getting there a little bit, because I kind of was inconsistent for like the past like 2 months, but I'm getting back on my stuff. You hear me? So get on there, bro. Start posting every day. It's no reason you got TikTok and you're not posting at least 6 times, maybe 8 times a day. I ain't gonna fake it. That's how you stay in the algorithm. You need to at least be posting, because me, I ain't gonna fake, when I go in on TikTok, I go in for like sessions, bro. You gotta look at it as like boxing. When you go in, you hitting, you jab, you blocking, because you gotta be able to see though. So you blocking, you go in, boom, 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 you jabbing. You gotta keep jabbing. Castanet said this same thing in the stream, y'all. Marathon, La Mafia thing. You gotta pay attention though, hear me out. You jabbing, boom, 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 boom. Now, okay, you done put in that work for the day, step back. You gotta take that step back, relax, realize what you done did, okay, take them notes, bet. Go back in. Now you in YouTube with it. Boom, 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 boom. You punching the clock. You punching the, you know, you punching the record button, not the clock. Because we done working jobs in 2025. So you punching the record button on my baby. Hear me out. You get on there, get on YouTube, you post your TikTok shorts. You post your TikTok videos to the shorts. Come on now. Boom, 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 boom. Now you got a solid little flow going. You hear me? Then you say you got the YouTube video. Boom. You recording the video. You got the video out. It's on YouTube. Boom, 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 boom. You put, you know, uppercuts and jabs. Putting the video out. Now you breaking that video down. You're gonna take a step back, break that video down, and go post that video on TikTok. You back in there. Boom, 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 boom. Now people, oh, this man got a vlog channel. He do this. Obviously, you ain't finna blow up off vlogs straight up away. But once you get that, like that, once you get that audience, bro, that little community to support you and like what you talk about, they will sit and watch that vlog, gang. I'm telling you right now. A lot of people just gotta get to know you first, bro. Once they see something in you, bro, it's all let it work from there on out. Now, a lot of y'all gonna take this video and be like, oh, well, a lot of y'all ain't gonna do nothing with this information I told y'all. A lot of y'all not gonna do nothing with this. This is my TikTok, by the way. I don't really gotta show y'all like this. I really can just show y'all on the screen like these. But boom, boom. If y'all wanna follow me on TikTok, y'all can. If y'all wanna, you know what I'm saying? Do love y'all boys. Appreciate y'all boys for all the support. I do hope y'all boys can make it in 2025. You know what I'm saying? Keep God in y'all life. Keep praying. Stay consistent, stay true, stay real, be yourself, man. Bro, but that's all I wanted though. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all comment down below what I missed out on, something I could have touched up on. Let me know something y'all want to see next. I will see y'all again this year, for sure. I know I wasn't a big factor in 2024, but this year is going to be a lot different. It's going to be a lot, you know? Love y'all boys, I'm out.